my chapter 5 Teach It video, I'm going to do question 5.1b, number 26. It says, find all integers x, if there are any, such that the following are true. Okay, so the first one is a, and that one says that the opposite of x, this is what we normally call like a negative sign, but it's actually talking about the opposite of x because x could technically be a negative number, equals 2. And I'm going to try to reference this theorem 5.2, which is additive inverse property of integers. For every integer a, there exists a unique integer opposite of a, the additive inverse of a, such that a plus the opposite of a equals 0, and opposite of a plus a equals 0 as well. So basically using that theorem, it says that x plus the opposite of x would equal 2, or the opposite of x plus x would equal 2. So if the opposite of x, let's say, so in order for this to be 2, the opposite of x needs to be negative 2, because then it would be the opposite, which is 2. So x in this equation is 2. For b, it says that the opposite of x is negative. So in order for the opposite of x to be negative, x is a positive, because the positive is a positive number. So x can be any positive number, 1, 2, 3, because it's the opposite, which would then be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. For c, it says the opposite of x is positive, which is a little different than the one that we just did. So if the opposite of x is positive, then x needs to be negative, because the opposite of a negative 2 or negative 3 or negative 4 would be a positive. For d, it says the opposite of x plus 1 is positive. So then we'd have to use, let's see, we could do, well, you could use, well, 0 doesn't work. Okay, so you could do, I don't know, just stop it.